Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love reading on your Kindle or you're just getting started, this video is for you. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a few tips to help you get the most out of your Kindle experience. Whether you have a newer generation Kindle or an older 10th or even 8th generation model, these tips will work for all. While reading, at the top menu, press on the A. It brings you to a menu with lots of adjustability. You can change the font size, margins, spacing, and boldness of your books to your liking. In the Layout section, you can change the orientation of the book alignment and the margins and spacing, which is a great feature and allows you to read easier. You can quickly adjust the font size of the Kindle. Just pinch 2 fingers in and out to change the text size on the Kindle. Another cool feature of Kindle is showing the currently reading book cover on your lock screen. To do this, go to All Settings, then Screen and Brightness, and turn on Show Covers on Lock Screen. Now, whenever your Kindle is off, you'll be greeted with the title of the book you're currently reading. If you have lots of books, it can be pretty hard to keep track of and manage all of your books on your Kindle. To organize your ebooks, you can create a collection by pressing the 3 dots to the top right on the Kindle home screen. Then you press Create a Collection and name it whatever you want. Next, go through your books and select the ones you want to add to this collection. Once you've chosen them, the collection has been created. To view your new collection, go to your library and it'll be there. In addition to reading ebooks, your Kindle can also be used to listen to audiobooks. To do this, simply connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones or speakers to your device and then select the Audiobooks tab in the Kindle store. Kindle has the ability to link your notes and highlights with your Goodreads account. To do this, connect your Goodreads account with your Kindle, go to All Settings, then select Your Account and choose Goodreads. Here you can sync up your Goodreads account. Once that's done, log on to your computer or download the Goodreads app. Then under My Books, go to your Kindle Notes and Highlights. You will find all the notes and highlights from your Kindle. If you purchase both the Kindle and Audible versions of a book, your Amazon account will sync the two of them together. For example, if you read 50 pages on your Kindle, the audiobook version will pick up where you left off the next time you open it on Audible. When you return to the Kindle edition after listening for a while, it will be exactly where you left off on the audio version. You can switch from one device to another or from reading to listening without losing your place. To enable Whisper Sync, go to All Settings, select Device Options, choose Whisper Sync, and turn on the feature. When sideloading books onto your Kindle, keep in mind that notes and highlights won't sync across the cloud. As a result, you'll need to use alternative methods to obtain and manage your annotations. One solution is to use a free website like clippings.io, which allows you to store and organize all of your highlights. To access your clippings, simply connect your Kindle to your computer and import the myclippings.txt file. If you're reading a book that's part of the Amazon XRay program, you can use your Kindle to look up information about the book's characters, places, and events. To access Amazon XRay, press the 3 dots at the top right of a book and then press the XRay button. Now, you can see notable clips, people, terms, and images related to the book. You can find definitions of words by pressing down on unfamiliar words when reading books on a Kindle. Yet, you might forget the word later. Kindle includes a vocabulary builder and flashcards to help you tackle this. To access Vocabulary Builder when you are in a book, press the top right section of the display and tap 3 dots to enter Vocabulary Builder. Here you will see all of the words which you have been learning. You can also use flashcards to show the word in context. You can enable the clock on your Kindle to display the time at the top of your book. To enable this feature, go to the top menu, tap on AA, select More, and turn on Show Clock while reading. This will display the clock at the top of the screen, which is helpful. The reading progress bar on the Kindle is another helpful feature. You can check how much of your reading and chapter time is left. When you're reading a book, you press to the bottom left of your Kindle screen, and it will cycle through the page, time left in the chapter, time left in the book, and lock. The right side of the screen will also show the percentage of the book you've read. Occasionally, you may notice that the Kindle's reading time estimate for a chapter or entire book is significantly inaccurate. However, there's a straightforward way to reset this and have the Kindle relearn your speed. To reset the reading time, go to the top menu, press the magnifying glass, enter, Reading Time Reset, and make sure you spell it correctly. Now, when you press enter, no search results will come up, but it will reset your reading time, and it will relearn your reading speed. On Kindle, you can see a faint imprint of the previous page whenever you change pages. This is called ghosting. Turn on the page refresh to stop ghosting. Now it's not a massive deal for me, but if it bothers you, you can turn on the page refresh. To enable this, go to All Settings/Settings, then navigate to Home and Library, select Reading Options, and turn on Page Refresh. However, turning on this option will decrease your battery life a little bit, and it might also introduce a little bit more lag onto your Kindle. If you don't want anyone to look for your books, or if you have annoying siblings around the house, you might want to use a pin. To set a pin on your Kindle, go to All Settings, then select Device Options, followed by Privacy and Security, and choose Device Pin. Enter the pin you want to use, then confirm it. And now, when you turn the Kindle back on, it'll ask you for a passcode. I prefer using dark mode for more comfortable reading at night. At night, the white background of my Kindle strains my eyes. On newer Kindle models, you can enable dark mode by tapping or swiping on the arrow at the top of your screen. You can also navigate to All Settings or Settings, then go to Screen and Brightness, and select Appearance, where you can choose between light mode and dark mode. The black background and white text make it far more comfortable to read at night. Additionally, the adjustable warm light also enables more comfortable reading at night. All Kindle devices, except the Kindle Basics, support adjustable warm light. Just hit the top right and bottom left corners of your Kindle screen to take a screenshot. If the screen flashes and this tells you that a screenshot has been taken. To access your screenshots, plug your Kindle into your computer, select the Kindle storage device that appears, and all your screenshots will be stored there. The Kindle already has an insanely long battery life that can last for several weeks at a time. However, if you wish to extend the battery life of your Kindle, you can activate airplane mode. To activate airplane mode, swipe down from the top of the Kindle screen and tap the airplane icon. By doing this, your Kindle won't be able to connect to any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi networks. Leave it on airplane mode unless you've got to download a new book. Kindle has a web browser to access the web. It is not the most capable, but you can browse a basic version of the web, which is pretty cool. To access the browser, go to the home screen, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Web Browser. Those are just a few of the Kindle tips to help you get the most out of your Kindle, but I'm sure there are even more out there. If I missed any, or if you have your own favorite tips, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.